Still on the battery on the orange Sydney, it's very simple. It's a little notch in the bottom right corner of the phone. Put your thumbnail in it, take the back cover off. Did a bit of a hash for this job. Finally, you'll have it off. There you can see the back cover with where the battery goes here, and SIM card and micro SD right there. So get open SIM card from its little case. Simply slide it like this into a port. Is that the right way around? Oh, it's vertically. Like so. Simply put the battery in, gold connectors on the bottom right, connecting to the connectors there. Simples. Slam the back cover on. Should be ready to power up.